let's get back to the practical mode. And now we are on our Excel spreadsheet. So here we have some text boxes on the column A, and on column B we have lower and upper. Okay, so we have a mix of uppercase and lowercase in our text. So first we'll try to convert them to lowercase, and then we'll try to convert the entire text into uppercase. So for that you need to press on equal symbol and select the lower formula tab, and you select the function, and now click on the cell A3, that's your selectors, and press on OK. Now all the letters are converted to lowercase. So we had J in the uppercase, which is converted to lowercase. Now all you can do is drag the formula to all the cells, and it will be applied to all the cells. Right? Now let's similarly try to convert into uppercase, and tap space, and there you go, you have selected the formula. Now the cell address, press enter, and drag the same address, drag the same formula to all the cell addresses, and then all the cells are converted to uppercase. Now that's how you convert the cells or data in Excel to uppercase or lowercase.